sustainable poultry farming at the African Center for Community and Development. So you can see, this is the nursery. These are broilers. They're doing quite good here. Project is going on quite well, as you can see. And here we have breeder stock, Brahma, neck and neck, JC Giants, and so many other species, including village poultry. It's quite nice. These are the younger ones here. They're coming up. Oh my god, so beautiful. And we have other breeder stock. It's super nice. I hope that you learn from our tested practices and you consult for us to co-create projects, help you to design your projects, as well as to implement projects of food security and livelihoods. I am Arrey. Thanks for watching.